Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to English with Leo and Maya. I am Maya, and I am so happy you are here today.
And I am Leo. Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast. If this is your first time here, welcome. We are so happy to meet you.
Yes, this podcast is for English learners. We speak slowly, we speak clearly, and we make learning English fun.
That's right. No stress, no pressure, just simple, friendly English. Every episode, we talk about one topic. And today is a very important topic.
Leo, tell them the topic.
Okay. Today's topic is how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, how to introduce yourself, how to say your name, your age, where you are from. These are the first words you need in English, the very first words.
So if you are a beginner, this episode is perfect for you. And if you already know some English, this is great practice.
Before we start, please do one small thing for us. Hit the like button. It really helps our channel. And if you are new here, please subscribe. We make new episodes every week.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, Maya, let's imagine you are at a party. A new person walks in. You don't know them. What do you say?
Oh, I walk up to them and I say, "Hi, my name is Maya. What is your name?"
Perfect. Simple, friendly, easy. Let's look at that sentence together.
The first word is hi, H-I. Hi. Hi is a friendly greeting. It means hello. You can also say hello, a little more formal, but hi is very natural.
Say it with us, everyone. Hi. Hello. Good. You are already speaking English.
Now, the next part, my name is Maya. This is how you introduce yourself. My name is very simple, very clear.
Let me give you an example. My name is Leo. Now you try. Say your name after me. My name is...
Beautiful. Now let's learn the next question. Where are you from?
Oh, yes, this is a very common question. Very, very common. Where are you from? It means what country, what city.
And the answer is, I am from, for example, I am from Brazil, or I am from Egypt, or I am from Japan.
I am from, well, in our podcast world, I am from Canada. I am from Canada.
And I am from the United Kingdom. I am from the United Kingdom. Or you can say, I am from England.
Now let's talk about age. How old are you? This is another very common introduction question.
How old are you? The answer is, I am years old. For example, I am 30 years old, or shorter, just I am 30.
Both are correct. Both are natural. Let's repeat the key phrases from this section. Maya, slowly, please.
Okay, ready? Repeat after me, everyone. Hi. Hello. My name is. Where are you from? I am from. How old are you? I am years old.
Amazing. You are doing so well. Really, really well. Okay, Maya, we know our name, our country, our age. What else do people ask when you meet them?
Oh, they ask about your job. What do you do? This means, what is your job? What is your work?
Yes, and the answer is, I am a... For example, I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a doctor.
Let's learn some job words. Leo, you start.
Okay, listen carefully. Teacher, a person who teaches in a school. She is a teacher. Student, a person who is learning, maybe at school or university. He is a student. Doctor, a person who helps sick people. I am a doctor. Engineer, a person who builds things, machines, buildings, technology. My father is an engineer.
Oh, my father. That's family vocabulary. Let's do a little family section too.
Oh yes, great idea. Family words are so important for introductions.
Okay, family vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Mother, mom. My mom's name is Susan. Father, dad. My dad is a doctor. Brother, I have one brother. Sister, I have two sisters. Wife, my wife is from Italy. Husband, my husband is a teacher.
Very good. Now a very useful phrase. I have blank brothers and blank sisters.
For example, I have one brother and two sisters. Or, I don't have any brothers or sisters. This means you are an only child.
An only child means you have no brothers and no sisters, just you.
Like me, I am an only child, just me and my parents.
And I have one brother. His name is, well, in podcast world, his name is Tom. Okay, everyone, time to practice. This is my favorite part.
Mine too. So we are going to do a short introduction together. Listen to me carefully, then you try.
Maya, can you give us a full introduction, a complete one?
Of course. Here we go. Hi, my name is Maya. I am from England. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher. I have one brother and one sister. Nice to meet you.
Beautiful, clear, simple, and complete. Now let me try. Hello, my name is Leo. I am from Canada. I am 32 years old. I am an English teacher. I have one brother. His name is Tom. It's nice to meet you.
Perfect. Did you notice the last phrase? Nice to meet you. Or, it's nice to meet you. This is what you say after an introduction. It is polite. It is friendly. The other person says, nice to meet you too.
Let's practice that together. Say after me, nice to meet you. And the reply, nice to meet you too.
Now, your homework right now. Pause this podcast. Say your own introduction out loud. Use our sentences as a guide. Say, hi, my name is, I am from, I am years old, I am a...
Do it! Don't be shy. Nobody's listening. Well, maybe your cat is listening, but cats don't judge.
That's right. Speak English to your cat.
Okay, now it's story time.
Yes! Every episode, we tell you a short, simple story. The story uses all the vocabulary from today. Listen carefully.
Today's story is about a girl named Sophia. Sophia is 25 years old. She is from Mexico. She is a nurse. She works in a hospital.
One day, Sophia starts a new job at a new hospital. It is her first day. She is a little nervous. Maybe you know this feeling.
Oh no, new people. What do I say?
Yes, Sophia is nervous, but she remembers her English. She takes a deep breath and she walks in.
A man comes to her. His name is James. James is a doctor. He smiles and says, "Hi, my name is James. I'm a doctor here. What is your name?"
And Sophia says, "Hi, James. My name is Sophia. I am a new nurse. Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you too, Sophia. Where are you from? Your accent is lovely.
Oh, thank you. I am from Mexico City.
Wonderful. How long have you been in England?
Oh, how long have you been in? This is a B1 phrase, a little more advanced. But let's keep the story simple.
Do you have family here?
Yes, my brother lives here. He is a student. He studies medicine.
Oh, wonderful. A medical family. Welcome to the team, Sophia.
Thank you, James. I am very happy to be here.
And that's the end of Sophia's first day. And it went very well. She used simple English. She was friendly. She introduced herself clearly.
And now you can do the same, because you know all those phrases too.
Let's look at the phrases Sophia used. My name is Sophia. I am a new nurse. Nice to meet you. I am from Mexico. My brother lives here. He is a student.
All beginner phrases, all very useful, all very natural.
Okay, everyone, let's review. This is very important. We say the word, you repeat. Ready?
Let's go slowly and clearly. Repeat every word.
Greetings. Hi. Hello. Friendly and casual. Hello. Hello. A little more formal. Nice to meet you. You say this after an introduction.
Introducing yourself. My name is... I am from... I am years old. I am a... job.
Family words. Mother. Mom. Father. Dad. Brother. Sister. Wife. Husband. Only child. No brothers, no sisters.
Jobs. Teacher. Student. Doctor. Nurse. Engineer.
Useful questions. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Means, what is your job?
Excellent. You just reviewed all the important vocabulary. If you want, write these words in your notebook right now.
Writing helps you remember. It really does.
Wow, what an episode! I loved it! You learned how to introduce yourself in English today. That is so important.
Yes, you can now say your name, your country, your age, your job, and talk about your family. That is a complete introduction. You should be very proud.
And remember, the most important thing is to practice. Say the sentences out loud every day, even just for 2 minutes.
You can practice in the mirror. You can practice with a friend. You can practice with your cat.
Yes, English-speaking cats are very patient.
Okay, everyone. Before we go, we have 3 small requests for you.
Number 1, please like this video. It helps us so much.
Number 2, please subscribe to English with Leo and Maya. We post new episodes every day. Free English lessons every day. Don't miss them.
Number 3, leave us a comment. We read every single one. And speaking of comments,
It is time for our question of the day.
Every episode, we ask you one question. You answer in the comments in English.
Even one sentence is perfect. We are beginners, remember? One sentence is amazing. Today's question of the day is, tell us about yourself. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do?
Write your answer in the comments below. For example, I'll start. Hi, my name is Maya. I am from England. I am a teacher.
And mine? Hi, my name is Leo. I am from Canada. I love English and coffee.
Write your introduction. We want to meet you.
Don't be shy. Everyone here is learning together. This is a safe, friendly, encouraging place.
That's what English with Leo and Maya is all about.
Thank you so much for listening today. You are amazing. Really, you are choosing to learn every day, and that takes courage.
We will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.